A subject forum is a discussion forum, a medium of communication between faculty and students during an entire semester. A student can post comments, post questions, and post answers to questions posted by fellow students. A faculty can attach documents such as course notes, practice problem sets, etc., post comments, and post answers to questions posted by students. In this video, I will show you, the faculty, how to create and launch a subject forum. Shown on this slide is the main menu of Kalisu Online. Click Faculty and Login using your faculty password. You will now see the faculty menu. In the faculty menu, click Subject Forums. You will now be asked to originate a subject forum. Click Initiate the process, whereupon you will be asked to input a topic. Input all topics and click Submit. Finally, click Select. At this time, you will see a screen which asks you to click Submit in order to launch the subject forum. What this means is that after you click Submit, the forum is accessible not only by yourself, but also by each of your students. Accordingly, click Submit, whereupon you are recommended the option of either closing the window or navigating to the main menu. In order for you to access the subject forum, you need to click Subject Forums in the faculty menu, whereupon you will see the forum ready to be selected, as shown on the slide in front of you. Therefore, click Select. You will now see the subject forum, only the lower part of which is shown on the slide. In the upper part, which is not shown, you will find all earlier posts by your students and by yourself. The green arrow points to a form using which you can upload documents, such as course notes, practice problems, etc. Using the selection pointed to by the full red arrow, you can select the category of your post, that is, whether it is a comment or an answer to a question posted by a student. Finally, you can make your post in the box pointed to by the yellow arrow. Once you have made your post, you must click Submit, whereupon your post will become visible to all your students. A student can click Students in the main menu and log in, whereupon he or she is presented with the Student menu. And when the student clicks Subject Forums, he or she sees the subject forum ready to be selected. The student should now click Select. The student will now see the subject forum, only the lower part of which is shown on the slide. The upper part, which is not shown, contains all earlier posts by students and faculty. Using the selection pointed to by the red arrow, the student can select the category of the post he or she wishes to make. That is, whether it is a comment or question or answer to a question posted by a fellow student. The student can make the corresponding post in the box pointed to by the green arrow. Thereafter, the student must click Submit, whereupon the post becomes visible to fellow students and faculty. You now know how to launch a subject forum. You would typically launch a subject forum at the beginning of a semester when a fresh batch of students join your course. The forum will serve as a medium of communication between you and your students throughout the semester. And you would typically archive the forum at the end of the semester. A big thanks for watching. From Team Kalisu Online.